It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Assalamualaikum guys and welcome to the vlog. So guys, how are you? What are you doing right now? Of course watching my video. But today we are again back with another video. Remember last time we also did an unboxing? Yeah, it's again an unboxing. Today we are unboxing an amazing gadget that we don't know actually, but because I'm unboxing with you guys. So now let's start the unboxing of this video. So what are we unboxing today? Today we are unboxing the Samsung Air F9 Pro Plus. As you can see here. This is the box and this is the back of the box written what things are in it. It's a technical index correspond with V4.0 and it is, and the model is, oh actually my watch is giving me the reminder of drinking water, and VF1 Pro, the model is V5.1. So now let's unbox it and let's go to the unboxing of this video. Let's start. Now here's the box of Samsung Air F9 Pro Plus and now let's unbox it. So we will open it from here. And now let's take out the main AirPod case. Oh my god. Just in case if there's something in it. No. Okay, so there are some AirPods protector here you can see, and it's a charger and a leaflet of how to connect it, but we know because it's very easy. And here it is, the main thing. First let's take out the case of it. Here's the case. Okay, now something satisfying. 1, 2, 3. Wow, so satisfying. Now let's see. Oh my god. So maybe this is the LED in which it will show how much it is charged right now. But now let's go on to the AirPods. Let's see. So here we have one of it. It's very soft, I can just tell. It's very soft and it will be very comfort in our ears. I can just feel it just holding by my hands. And this is now the second one. So these are basically like, it will think, people will think that there's nothing in my ears because they will just go in my ears. Let's just see. They're not what I expected, but they're good. And they're not that bad. Are they looking good? How are they looking? Comment down below. Okay? So you can see here, there's a light showing if it is charged or not. So now let's put them down and connect them to our mobile and play songs. So guys, as you can see, this is the power bank of Air F9 Pro AirPods. So now let's see what will happen if we'll put the both. Okay, so I've put one. It's just like you're putting something special. Look. Oh my god. And it is charged 100%. As you can see, both are showing 100% and they are changing colors. This is also changing color and this is also changing color. As you can see that it is looking so good. And the cable that has been given here, let me just show you. I'm going to open it. So it's a leaflet over here, as you can see, as I told you earlier, but we don't need it right now. And here is the charging port. So as you can see, over here is a place where you can put the charging port over here. This is the charging port we have to put here. So now let's check the quality of sound by connecting it to a tab. Let's start. So as you can see, here is coming TWS. Now let's connect it. It will pair first. Guys, as you can see, now I have connected with these AirPods. So guys, now let's open Spotify. And now I have opened it and I'm going to turn on the music. कहानी सुनो, ज़बानी सुनो, ये प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था. Just believe me, its quality was so good. Just when I put it, I thought I was in a concert or something, like something is actually going in front of me. It was so good. I can just not tell you. These electronic amazing gadgets are just surprising me. I don't know how can they be this good, but now I have just tested and I think this is the best unboxing I've ever done. Guys, it is worth mine. Its quality was very nice and I love it because of the power bank was very attractive. Just I opened it and I loved it. But there's one problem. See the charging right here. First it was like 100 when I started and I even thought it was 66, but it was 99, and the charging does not stay for long. Look, it's 92, so like 8% just went down in, I don't know, 5 minutes or 3 minutes hardly. So its charging does not stay for long. So I don't think that's a good option. But still, the voice is, everything is very good. So guys, I hope you like this video. Guys, please buy this if you can because I love it. And I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.